As a crypto miner, I really struggle sometimes to figure out what wallet works best for my mineable coins. Now, I will say this, it does get frustrating having to put different core wallets and different mobile wallets because of coin support. But I think the team over at Tangem has finally figured it out. We are going to unbox the brand new Tangem wallet that they just sent me. As you can see, it's still wrapped here in plastic, and we're going to see if this is the best wallet for crypto miners. Let's check it out. Full transparency for everybody watching my video today. This video is sponsored by Tangem. They did send me a free wallet for review. Please do your own research before buying any crypto mining equipment or hardware. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so when I opened up the box, I noticed that Tangem gives you 3 different sets of cards, and I really like their design. Very sleek. They seem to be no thicker than a credit or debit card, and they can fit in a wallet very easily. I did get the flat black version that they sent me, and I really like it. Now, on the back of the card, the instructions are pretty simple. Tap the card to your phone. It looks like the sensor is in the middle there. However, I did notice that each one of these cards has a different set of letters and numbers on them that are uniquely identifiable to the card. This is a security feature. So let's set the card up in the app and see how it works. Okay guys, so I did do a screen record prior to making the video. I'm just gonna walk you through a very basic process. This is very easy, so you have an understanding of how easy it is to use this card. So let's go ahead and hit scan card. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the card straight up to the phone. Boom, there you go. Now you're gonna load card number 2. And if you have an iPhone, the sensor for these cards is right by the camera, in case you didn't know that. I don't have an Android, so I don't know. So we're going to scan the second card there. Sweet. That worked really well. Now, the third card, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do it. It did pop up this warning message, and it says you've added 1 backup card. When backup process is finished, you can't add more backup cards. If you have 1 more card, add it to backup. Do you like to continue the backup process? I hit cancel actually here because I wanted to add the third card, obviously, so I went ahead and did that right here. Now, for security purposes, the next steps do have access codes, and they do display the unique numbers that I was talking about on the card itself, so we're going to go ahead and fast forward this part. The process is very easy. You're going to hold the card up there for 15 seconds. There is a timer, and after that, it's pretty straightforward. Once this process is complete, you can go ahead and add Face ID if you have an iPhone like I do. I am currently using an iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's just an extra layer of security, and then success. Your wallet is created. You can start importing your crypto. Another reason why I really like the Tangem app is because you can sell, purchase, and swap your crypto directly on the app, and you can avoid tons of fees. Now, traditionally, we've always had to transfer to SimpleSwap or send it to an exchange or move it around to different wallets, but on Tangem, it's all done in-house, and that is pretty awesome. Okay, so there's been a little bit of talk about security. Now, here's what I'll say. Having a Tangem wallet and writing down your seed phrase are going to be equal if you don't take necessary precautions to protect your crypto. Okay, now I will say this, and I know this from experience. I did lose a lot of Neoxa because I did lose a seed phrase. Had I had a card in my wallet per se, I would have been able to access it. So let's talk a little bit about security now. No crypto hardware wallet is bulletproof. Whether it's a warm wallet, cold wallet, hot wallet, core wallet, online wallet, nothing is bulletproof. There will be vulnerabilities everywhere. Just like every other criminal in the world, they look for weak points and people who don't pay attention to what they're doing. Now, if you are negligent with your security, then you're leaving those doors open for people to steal your stuff. And some of those doors can be the most ridiculous things, like going to a bad website or not changing an email password or giving somebody access to your phone, whatever. Here's a good practice. Always operate in crypto as if somebody wants to steal all of it from you, and then you'll be fine. Some interesting facts about Tangem that I think you actually would like. They use an EAL6 Plus security standard on their cards, which is actually pretty cool. They have a 25-year warranty, and since 2018, 0 out of 1 million cards have ever been hacked. That is actually pretty impressive. If you are interested in purchasing a Tangem wallet, I do have a referral link below for 10% off. I do get a small kickback. It helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think of Tangem. Are you interested in buying one? Are you going to try it out? I would love to know your opinions. Comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Hawk out.